This is a freestanding mopping vacuum. Use power on and off button, speed, and the trigger to dispense water. The two water tanks. The one on the right is for cleaning water. The one on the left is the sewage tank. Extra battery pack, a charging dock. So if the battery runs out, I can easily replace it. And put this one in the charging dock. It's compatible with the included charger. It also comes with this dock. It features this like a bucket design. It allows self-cleaning when it's plugged in. When it's charging, shows red. And press it for 3 seconds and it will start the cleaning procedure. Shows green. And the brush would rotate slowly as the water runs through the tank. The charging speed is 20 watts according to my kilowatt power meter using this charging dock. And the charging speed from the vacuum itself, it is also 20 watts using the dock. A large wet and dry vacuum, self-cleaning replaceable battery. The charger, 34 volts, 600 milliamps. The battery pack, 72 watt-hour storage. The two charging pins. Oh, that was easy.